Here I have WIKO Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, what you have to do is to just remove the back cover from your device. You have the hatch here. You can catch it with your fingernails and then you can remove it easily. So here you can put your SIM cards. Here you have the slot for SIM card 1, which is the micro SIM. Here you have the SIM card 2 slot, which is the Nano SIM. And here you have the micro SD slot. So I have the Nano SIM, so I just use the SIM 2 slot. And here you can put the SD card, just like this. Then for your device to read your cards, you have to restart it. And after that, cards will be read. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. So let's enter the PIN code, and as you can see, there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.